In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit an Asana form and share the updated link. First, open the Asana project that already contains the form you want to adjust. Forms live inside specific projects, so make sure you're in the correct workspace and looking at the right project in your sidebar. If the project has a clear name, great, you'll spot it quickly. Once you're in, you're exactly where you need to be to make updates that feed directly into that project's tasks. Next, head to the area where forms are managed. Depending on your layout, you'll either click Customize in the top right and then open the Forms section, or you'll see a Forms tab directly in the project's header. Both routes land you in the same place, a centralized view of the form or forms connected to this project. Now select the specific form you want to edit. Some projects have a single form, while others may have several. Choose the one your team actually uses, and if you see multiple similar names, take a moment to confirm you've opened the correct form to avoid confusion later. You're ready to make changes. Update the questions to match the information you truly need, and keep question labels clear and direct. Add brief help text if a field might be misunderstood. Adjust required fields so only the essentials are mandatory. This reduces drop off and makes it faster for people to submit. If you've noticed incomplete submissions, consider rewording or reordering questions for better flow. Refresh the form description with context: what the form is for, who will review it, and what happens after submission. That little bit of guidance can dramatically improve the quality of responses. Before you publish anything, preview the form. Use the preview button to see it exactly as your respondents will. Scan for typos, check that required fields are clearly marked, and make sure the sequence of questions feels logical from start to finish. Imagine you're a first-time submitter. Is everything obvious? If something feels clunky, jump back and refine. When everything looks right, save your changes. Look for a save or publish button to confirm the updates. If you need to share the form, copy the form's shareable link from the forms area and distribute it to your team or stakeholders. Let people know what's new, especially if you changed required fields or clarified the description, so they understand what's expected moving forward. That's it. Open the project, find the form, edit thoughtfully, preview carefully, and then save and share. You now have a streamlined Asana form that collects exactly the information your team needs.